Good afternoon to everyone. Friends, today we are going to study practical number 4, study of life cycle of sargassum. Kinds are systematic position, occurrence, external structure of thallus, internal structure of thallus, and reproductive structure. Now first, systematic position. The plant sargassum is classified into group Algae, division Phaeophyta, class Cyclospori, order Fucales, family Sargaceae, and genus Sargassum. Now second point is occurrence. There are about 150 species of Sargassum, such as Sargassum duplicatum, Sargassum carpophyllum, Sargassum plagiophyllum, etc. They occur in marine water. They are common along the coast of India, Australia, Sri Lanka, Japan, America, etc. Now, external structure of thallus. In Sargassum, the plant body is brown in color. It is sporophytic. It contains three different parts like holdfast, main axis, and lateral branches. The holdfast is basal and discoid in shape. It attaches the plant to the surfatum. Now main axis. The main axis is also known as stem or style. It is long, slender, and cylindrical. It is profusely branched. Now lateral branches. The lateral branches are of two types, primary lateral and secondary lateral. The primary lateral arises from the main axis. It grows indefinitely, so it is also called long shoot. Now secondary lateral. The secondary lateral arises from the primary lateral. They grow definitely, so they are called dwarf shoot. The secondary laterals are leaf-like, so they are also called leaves. In Sargassum, the leaves are small, simple, and sessile. They are oval, lanceolate in shape. Their margin is serrate and apex is acute. Each leaf contains a single midrib. The surface of leaves bear the sterile cavity called cryptostomata or cryptoblast. From the axil of leaf arise the receptacles and air bladders. The receptacles are branched, fertile, and finger-like. They contains male and female conceptacle. From the axil of leaves also arise the air bladders. Air bladders are stalked, rounded. They contains various gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Air bladders gives buoyancy to the plant. Now you are watching the images or photographs of Sargassum. This is the main axis. These are leaves and air bladders. Now, internal structure of main axis, RTS of main axis. A transverse section of main axis shows three different parts such as epidermis, cortex, and medulla. Epidermis is the outermost layer of main axis. It is made up of single cell layer. Cells are compactly arranged. The epidermis is covered by thick cuticle. The cell of epidermis is made up of, they are meristematic in nature, so epidermis is also called mesoderm. Epidermis gives protection to the inner tissue. Now cortex, it present below the epidermis. It is made up of many cell layer. It is made up of thin-walled parenchyma cell. Its function is storage of food and water. In some species, the cortex differ into outer cortex and inner cortex. Now medulla, it present in the center of main axis. It is made up of narrow, elongated, and thick-walled cell. Its function is mechanical support. Now reproduction. Sargassum reproduces by vegetative and sexual method. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Now sexual reproduction. In Sargassum, the sexual reproduction is oogamous. The male sex organs are called antheridia and female oogonia. The antheridia develops in male conceptacle and oogonia develops in female conceptacle. And this conceptacle develops in the receptacle. Now first, vase of male conceptacle. The male conceptacle is flax-shaped. Its opening is called ostiole. It contains the paraphysis. The paraphysis may be either simple or branched. Paraphysis bear the male sex organs antheridia. Antheridia are oval in shape. Their wall is made up of two layers, outer exocyte and inner endocyte. Each antheridium contains a diploid nucleus. Its nucleus undergoes meiotic division and produces about 56 number of male gametes or sperm. The sperm are pear-shaped. They are biflagellate. Flagella are unequal. The anterior shorter is tinsel type and posterior longer is whiplash type. Now, here's a female conceptacle. The female conceptacle is also flag-shaped. Its opening is called ostiole. From the wall of female conceptacle develop the oogonia. In young condition, the oogonia are small, spherical. Their wall is made up of three layers: outer exocyte, middle mesocyte, and inner endocyte. At maturity, the mesocyte gelatinize and form a stalk-like structure. So the oogonia come out of the ostiole. In oogonium, it contains single diploid nucleus. Its nucleus undergoes meiotic division and form 8 number of haploid nuclei. Out of 8, 7 degenerate and only one becomes functional, known as egg or ovum. This is about the life cycle of sargassum. If there are any question, any problem,